ओके, आता स्वेरिंग इन सेरेमनी तुम्ही लायव्ह पळयल्ली, जे उपरांत जे मंत्री आता जेंच्यांनी कॅबिनेट पदाची शपथ घेतली, अलेक्स सिक्युरिटी ते आमच्या वांगडा आहा. वेलकम सर तुमकां. पोरू तुमी सप्टेंबरान भाजपान येयल्ले, तुमी अशी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी रिप्रेझेंट करता, थंय BJP कांय हरशी मत आसना आनी तितूंतल्यान तुमी तरी आसतना रिस्क घेवन भाजपात एंट्री मारली. तुमकां कॅबिनेट बट प्रॉमीस केल्लो, 1 वर्स मायज जालें, मातशें लेट जालें अशें दिसता म्हाका.
प्रॉमिस केलें म्हूण तूं म्हणटा, हांवें म्हणलो ना.
सगळेच सांगता की अलेक्साक
हांवें सांगतलें. आय हॅव कॅप्ट टेलिंग यू ऑल दॅट ऑल दीस टॉक अबाउट मिनिस्टरशीप इज बींग स्प्रेड बाय ऑल मिडिया पीपल.
आत्तां दिगंबर कामत बाद आमकां मेळ्ळें, तेंच्यांनी सांगलें अलेक्साक कॅबिनेट पद मेळोवन दिवप ही प्रायोरिटी आसली, आमचे मागीर म्हणपाक लागले,
दॅट वॉज दिगंबर्स प्रायोरिटी.
तुमकां मेळोवन दिवपाची. सो आतां एक जालें कॅबिनेट बटाचें जालें, कॅबिनेट सो पोर्टफोलियोची बी कितें पयलीं डिस्कस जालें.
Believe me, I was informed about ministership only today at about 10:45, 11 in the morning.
ओके,
Before that, Chief Minister never spoke to me anything.
तुमी भाजपा खातीर साश्टींतले एकमेव मंत्री सध्या आसतले, सो तुमचेर कितली मोठी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आनी लोकसभा इलेक्शन येता.
मात्र हांवें एवढो थोड्या प्रेसवाल्यांक सांगितला की आय वॉज एन MLA अकाउंटेबल टू constituents of Nuvai constituency. Now that I've been appointed or sworn in as a minister, my responsibility has increased because now I am accountable to the whole of Goa.
बट तालुका पालक मंत्री म्हणून अशें आसता, एक मिनिस्टर जो तालुका हँडल
that's
करता,
CM.
सो साश्टी तुमचे कडेन आसतली.
See, I don't know. I will have to sit with CM and discuss with him. But as far as I'm concerned, I'm willing and open to try and resolve issues of people all over Goa. In particular, Salsette, because I come from Salsette.
ओके, पण लोकसभा इलेक्शन जेन्ना येता तेन्ना साश्टीचे तुमची कितें तरी जबाबदारी आसतली, वा तुमी जबाबदारी स्वता घेतले की भाजपाक चडांत चड लीड मेळोवन दिवपाक.
I believe Congress was a force in the past. I believe BJP has taken over, and I believe this is a statement I'm making out of conviction. BJP will win both the seats,
लीड इन
north and south.
लीड इन सालसेट.
No. So you have to have a lead in Salsette if you're going to win the South Goa seat.
तुमकां एकोमोडेट करपाक एका मंत्र्याक देंवचो पडलो, निलेश काब्रालाक देंवचो पडलो. सो मातशें वायट आपलें पद गेलें की वायट मातशें दिसता. तेणी ब्रिफींग घेतलें आनी आपूण रिजायन जाल्यार तें बी सांगलें, तुमी येवन ताका मेळटले, वा ते मातशें एक वायट म्हण.
See, as I've said, I definitely feel awkward to face Nilesh Kabral. If I was in his place, I would be upset. When I was not even an MLA, after 2012, Nilesh has helped me. His OSD Linden has helped me. I am obliged to them. So definitely, I feel awkward to face him. I definitely feel.
मेळटले पण
100%. Nilesh, let's not forget, Nilesh in the years gone by was my voter. He's from Nagwa. And I'm sure Nilesh and his family, including his brother Ravi, have worked for me and supported me. So I have no ill will towards him.
सर 8 जाण जेन्ना तुमी काँग्रेस सोडून रिस्क घेवन हांगासर येयले, तुमी म्हणटा कांय प्रॉमीस करिनासले वा कॅबिनेट बटाचे कांय नासलें.
He made only one promise to me, that whatever works I have in my constituency, he will not deny, he will oblige.
पण आतां तुमचे कॅबिनेट बटाचे जाल्यार फाटल्यान बी कोणाक तुमकां कितें आहा की फाटल्यान आनी कोण तुमच्या वांगडा येयल्ल्यांक चान्स पडटलो.
But I have no idea about this. As I told you, even my own thing, nobody gave me a commitment. I do not know. Digambar Kamath, Michael Lober were the leaders of the group. I don't know what if they have committed, what they have done. So I'm not aware about what were the finer things. As far as I am concerned, I was promised, committed nothing except development in my constituency.
हो, हें गिफ्ट कशें येयलां.
Yes, you can take it that way.
ओके, तुमी 2007 to 12 कॅबिनेटान दिगंबर कामतेच्या कॅबिनेटान मंत्री असले, पॉवर एनवायरमेंट तुमचे पोर्टफोलियोज असले आनी तुमी ते बरे सक्सेसफुली हँडल केले. सो परत एकदा तेच पळोवपाक तुमकां आवडटलें काय तुमी कितें घेवपाक?
But that will depend on the CM. Whatever
तुमचो इंट्रस्ट कितें आसता?
No, I am not going to say. Whatever responsibility he gives me, I will put in my best.